Click on Settings and select System to turn on the SC car's BT channel option. Scroll down to Car Settings and turn off the Auto Switch to On option. Then go to OEM car info and connect the original Bluetooth. After a successful connection, change the multimedia mount to the Bluetooth we just connected to. At this point, go back to our Linux interface and connect the Linux Bluetooth. It will automatically enter the CarPlay interface after successful connection. At this point, Linux Bluetooth will automatically disconnect and OEM Bluetooth will stay connected. You can see that the CarPlay sound is also normal.